Okay, let's unbox your new Jabra Enhance hearing aids. In addition to the hearing aids, there's items in the kit you might not recognize. From measuring tools to basic care and maintenance, let's go through them. Unboxing the Jabra Enhance Select 300. Starting here, we have your premium charger user guide. This is going to explain everything you need to know about using, troubleshooting, and taking care of your hearing aid charger. In the top sleeve, you'll find your Getting Started guide, along with the Get Connected guide for using the app. Here is the premium charging case, and inside are your hearing aids. The right goes in the red port, and the left goes in the blue port. On the back, you'll see the USB-C port for charging. Also included is your charging cable, a USB-A to USB-C, as well as the AC adapter for plugging it into the wall. Beneath the main tray, you'll find additional accessories. First up are the sport locks, which help keep your hearing aids securely in place during high-intensity activities. You'll also see a cleaning cloth and cleaning brush. These tools are used as part of your regular daily care and maintenance. The brush can be used to brush off debris and buildup on the microphones and domes, while the cloth is used to wipe down your devices. Next, we have your wax filters and receiver tool. I'll open the wax filters so that you can see they're very similar to a matchbook, with each pack having 8 sticks. You'll notice there's a removal end used to remove the used wax filter, and the other end has a tiny white replacement filter. Your wax filters will regularly get clogged and require replacing on a regular cadence to ensure your hearing aids remain sounding their best. You'll also find your ear measurement tool. The red side is for measuring your right ear to determine which length of wire will fit your ear best, and the blue is for your left ear. Contact our care team if you feel your hearing aid is not fitting properly. And finally, we have all of your domes. The style that works best for you depends on your specific hearing loss and the physical size of your ear canal. The open domes come in 3 different sizes and allow some natural sound to enter the ear canal along with the amplified sound from the hearing aid. The tulip domes only come in 1 size and block out external sounds. The closed domes come in 3 sizes and block out more external sounds, enhancing the hearing aid's amplification. And that's it. That's everything in your kit. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your Jabra Enhance care team. So that's everything. If you're having any trouble, reach out to us. We've helped tens of thousands of customers, and we're happy to help you too. And as always, there are articles and videos on our Help Center to help you get what you need.